strikes again. Whoa, some niggas bitter with life and they hate me. They wanna put a knife in my ribs. Whoa, way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been to Madrid. Whoa, she said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right at the crib.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know you guys are wondering, why is this in your hand right now? Well, today we got another unboxing for you guys, and this isn't just another regular ass unboxing. This is actually one of my recent grails, one of the sneakers that dropped this year that I knew I had to have. By luck, I actually had the opportunity to come up on this pair. Honestly, I can't even let you guys know how, but let's just say under retail, out of my pocket, I just came up on some, you know how you play Monopoly, you get a chance card, and that shit says you got an extra 250, da-da-da-da-da. For no damn reason. There was a malfunction or some shit like that. That's exactly what happened, and I ended up with these for the low, bro. I'm not gonna say too much, but that's all I could really say. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and by now the giveaway for the bouncy ball is probably done. I'm just recording this ahead of time so I could just have it in store so I could edit it and post it for you guys. But this is a sneaker pickup, probably one of my favorite sneakers that dropped this year, and let's just say sick ass come up. Let's stop talking and let's get straight into this unboxing. We got our Supreme Samurai knife right here. We're gonna get straight into this package. Honestly, I'm really anxious to see what these look like in person. I already know these shits are super clean, but the fact that I got them is just, it makes them even better, you know? Like, sneakers look cool or whatever, but when you actually get them, they look even better because it's like they're mine now, you feel me? We got bubble wrap. We got some extra paper, and we got a box. Now, I was debating whether I wanted these or another pair that this person dropped, and I decided to go with these, but these shits are probably super clean in person, bro. I'm mad excited to see what these look like. I'm gonna let you guys get the first glimpse. Woo, bruh, are you kidding me? These shits are so clean in the camera. Damn, son, these shits are crispy, bruh. Look at these shit. I know you guys are probably sick and tired of seeing these shits, but the fact that I got them makes them even better, honestly. These shits are hard, bro. The blue on these shits is insane. Those waxy laces, super crispy. I actually got these for a pretty good price. Well, out of pocket, an amazing price, but in general, I got them for like $330 or $340, something like that, which is not a bad price. That's a little bit under market, which is not bad at all. Super clean. Got the Jumpman on one side, Cactus Jack on the other. Got the Cactus Jack on the back. I might do a review on these. I don't even care if a lot of people did them, but I might do a how to style on this actually, because a lot of people did drop reviews already. I don't want to be another person to drop it. I'll just probably talk about them a little bit in the how to style video, but this is a clean pickup, bro. Honestly, one of my favorite Jordans that dropped this year, if I'm gonna say so, besides the off-white ones, obviously, because them shits hitting, but they cost hella bread too. But these shits are clean. I could definitely see these shits going up in value as time goes on, especially since he's dropping probably like 2 more pairs, the gray one and the purple one. These being the OGs, they're gonna cost more when those drop. Just trust me on that, unless those are way more limited. But these shits are hard, bro. You got that cream milky outsole with the Jumpman in red right there. Then you got the rest of the outsole in black. You got that little military looking ass blue right there. These shits are crispy, bro. He did his thing on these. On the inside of this one, you got the tilted Jumpman with the blue speckles on the paint. Honestly, one of my favorite sneakers in my collection. Yeezys are a little bit dead, but I do got a couple pairs of Yeezys. That shit, you feel me? I feel like this completes my collection because it's the only collaboration shoe that I have. Like, Yeezy works for Adidas. This is a collaboration sneaker, which is honestly the only thing I was missing in my collection. I do have a lot of cool sneakers, but these right here is the icing on the cake for me, honestly. On that one, we have the Cactus Jack. On this one, we have the Jumpman. On the inside, you have the Air Jordan, upside down, inside out, all that. On the inside of this one, it does say Cactus Jack, if you are able to see that in there. These shits just are overall like a 9 out of 10 for me. I love Jordan 4s. This colorway is honestly one of my favorite colors, and these shits are just hitting, bro. Like, you cannot say these shits are ass, because you'd probably be lying, but these shits side by side, bro, come on, bro. These shits look too clean. I'm just really glad I was able to get these for a steal, like for the super low. These shits are just like A1 steak sauce. People are saying that he copied the M&Ms, but I doubt it, bro. He probably just took inspiration from it. You got the Cactus Jack on that side of it. You got the embossed or debossed Jordan logo on the other side. You got the speckle paint right there. I'm glad that they didn't put the speckles down here, because that honestly would have killed it for me. You got the speckles right there on On the back of the left shoe, you got Cactus Jack. On the right shoe, you got the Jordan. Speckled paint on both. These shits are just, bruh, phenomenal. Maybe I'm just being biased because I love Jordan 4s, but these shits are clean, bruh. Probably one of my favorites in the collection, if I must say so. Like, these shits are so hard. These shits are crispy. I just had to show you guys this pickup, and I wanted to record this video instantly so I could actually take a look at these. We got the waxy laces on the front. They're not too waxed, so it doesn't kill the vibe, you feel me? But that black netting also gives it more flavor. Like, if that netting was the same color as the blue, it would honestly kill it as well. Like, I just feel like he did his thing on these. They came out perfect, and I'm anxious to see what these gray ones are gonna be looking like. Them shit's gonna be hard. The purple ones too, son. Them shits are hard, and I'm gonna honestly try to complete the set. But when these dropped, I really tried to get them. Took mean L's on raffles, took L's on sneakers app, the pre-release, all that shit. But I still had to come up on these. Delayed W boys, frugal boys all day. Shout out to Bullet RC. These shits are super clean, bro. Just wanted to show you guys this little pickup, and that pretty much does it for this video. Honestly, let me know what you guys think about these. Where do you guys rank these for all-time Jordan 4s? These would be like top 10 for me, honestly. There's Lightning 4s, there's Cause 4s, there's White Cement 4s, Bread 4s, the Tour Yellow 4s. There's a lot of 4s that are actually hard, but these are up there for me. And being that these released this year, I would put these at like a top 10 releases of all year. Maybe top 5, honestly. The hype behind them, they're just super clean. They're not overpriced. It's just perfect overall. I really was debating whether I should get these or the Air Force Ones, and last minute I decided to get these. I feel like it is the best choice because the canvas Air Force Ones will get dirty fast as hell, and that is like a bittersweet thing because they don't look that bad beat up. But at the end of the day, if you spend that much on a pair of sneakers, you don't want these shits to get fucked up. These will stand the test of times. I had Toro 4s a little while back, and dumb shits, I used to wear them like every day for a period of time, even in the summer, and them shits was good after like years. No creases, no nothing. But these shits are hard, bro. The suede on these shits, I'm gonna see if I could get it for you. The suede on these shits, bro, I don't even think you'll be able to see. The suede on these is crazy, son. Look at that. Suede on these is impeccable. Like, these shits are clean, boy. But yeah, yo, these shits are hard as fuck. But yeah, these shits are crazy. Honestly, really glad I got these in my collection. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know if you guys did end up enjoying. Leave a like down below. Subscribe for more content like this. If you're into Supreme, if you're into sneakers, you already know what it is. We do all that over here. With all that being said, go ahead and click the Gleam link at the top of the description for a free Supreme tee. That's gonna be done real soon, but I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Strikes again, whoa. Some niggas bitter with life and they hate me, they wanna put a knife in my ribs, whoa. Way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been in Madrid, whoa. She said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right at the crib, whoa.